Mark Lloyd Flood here. It was Dylan Thomas that said, as directorial advice to the performers of his play Under Milkwood, a month before his passing, he said to them, "Love the words." I want to bring these texts to life, and this simply, at the base level, is what this little space is all about. But not in a way that, chews them up and brings them down to these sort of minimal attention span, bite-sized offerings to fit within a medium that's organized to a particular length. I want to stay faithful to them. And the reason why I enjoy to perform the word, it's because I love them. So that the writer is honored. I also love to honor the writers, James Joyce, Marshall McLuhan, Emil Cioran, Pablo Neruda, Dylan Thomas, Samuel Beckett, as they have and are the company I keep mostly. Johann Goethe, John Milton, John Keats, Henry Miller, Owen Barfield. They sit upon the sills surrounding my writing desk. Percy Shelley, Walt Whitman, Dante Alighieri, John O'Donoghue, Emanuel Swedenborg, shouting this, whispering that. Herman Melville, William Blake, William Butler Yeats, William Shakespeare, Edwin Muir, Vernon Watkins, David Gascoigne, Kathleen Brain, Harold Bloom, Taliesin, pointing at a way to go, whilst I write my book, the Mary Oliver as well. The performance of their work, which is what this will be all about, will also lead and pave the way to the performance of my own. And sometimes that'll be a short, few-second dally of a sentence. Other times it will be a long, exactly replicating recital of a full monologue like Father Mapple at maybe 20 minutes long. I would also like to perform these texts as a way to honor the authors, but as a way also to point the eye toward their works and toward reading. The performance of faithful to text stuff is what this is all about, which I hear reading globally is, or the interest to, or the reading of anything is dropping significantly somehow. I really look forward to bringing the first performance to life, and that will be Herman Melville's Moby Dick, and of the chapter, the sermon, and it will be Father Mapple's speech